Hello and welcome to another update video about ARBITRUM. On this chart, by the way, let me take those yellow lines out. Talked in the previous video about, that it's coming down. Obviously, it made a new low, that a pullback into this red resistance area would be anticipated in a wave 4, and that it could just simply retest this trend line from below, which it did, and it got rejected. So I mean, maybe I shouldn't take that line out then, because it seems to be relevant currently for as acting as resistance. The price is certainly respecting it together with the 38.2 retracement level. So overall, this chart is pointing to the downside at the moment. We have an ABC structure to the upside. It topped in 3 waves, failed to hold bullish support. Since then, we've been focused on the downside. It would really need to take a, it takes now a proper impulse, to be honest, to a new all-time high to make this chart bullish again, because it is long-term now in a downtrend, and it really needs to break above the 182 level to make it at least, bullish possibly again, right? And then it needs the 3-wave pullback. I mean, anything that happens here in the short term could just simply be now a 3-wave pullback. I mean, I cannot guarantee to you that we get this last low. It could be the wave 1 bottomed here already, and we're now pulling back in a wave 2. But yeah, for now, it really needs to break above 182 to make it bullish again. I mean, I can give you the resistance level for the wave 2 already, assuming that wave 1 already bottomed there. And that would be the area between 136 and 162. So you could say that a break above 162 would be a first sign that something more bullish is going on. Until then, I would expect this to be bearish and to take it to another low later in a 3rd wave, then a 4th wave, then a 4th wave and a 5th wave. There's just nothing bullish on this chart at the moment. I mean, you can always, don't get me wrong, you know, with these charts, they can always surprise suddenly. There's just nothing we see at the moment that would be bullish. It broke below the all-time low, made a new all-time low. It's moving up in 3 waves at the moment. It could even squiggle a bit higher in this current yellow wave 4, because it sort of seems to be consolidating at the moment and a 3-wave pullback. So one more high is not to be ruled out at this stage. Very short-term resistance is 122. And if it breaks above 122, I think I would have to assume we are already in wave 2. And then we have resistance between 136 and 162 with 147 in between, the golden ratio. And at the latest here, I would expect to move down in a 3rd wave. Chart would have to prove that it is more bullish by breaking above 162. That is certainly nothing I would expect at this stage, and I expect this to sell off further. I've just seen too many of these charts, but if it breaks above 162, we can always take a more bullish look, but at the moment I just don't see anything. And again, they can always rally, you know, and it's always possible to long a chart like that. It's just that I personally wouldn't do it with any more than lunch money, because it is in a lifetime downtrend. All right, that's my update about ARBITRUM. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.